What's going on? So this video is to all my guys who went out and bought trucks to be owner operators, whether to be fully independent or you are going to lease on to a company. I'm guessing the goal is to make more money, and by making more money you want to keep most of it, right? We all know as owner ops we have a lot of expenses, whether it's maintenance, tolls, food. To keep more of what you make, you want to cut the spending, right? One way you can cut spending is by doing a lot of stuff yourself on your truck. For the littlest thing, you go to the shop, they'll charge you an arm and a leg. So with all that being said, I have a little issue with my truck, a little play in my steering shaft, and I'm gonna show you how to fix that. Take this bolt out and then use something like this, a pry bar, to pry this up from the spline, and this will slide in so to allow you to be able to take this off. See, now that I got it off, all you gotta do is just pull the shaft out. Pull this out. Pulls out like so. So other truck might be different, but I know the Kenworths and the Peterbilts, they are very similar. So now I'm just gonna take this and replace this U-joint. Yep, there's play in it. So after you clean it as best as you can, get all the grease out, all the dirt, we're gonna pop out these C-clamps that's holding in this U-joint and replace it with the new one. This is the new one we're gonna be replacing it with, and as you can see, these are the C-clamps I'm talking about. So we're gonna use these C-clamps to install this and secure it. And also it comes with the grease feeding. And make notes which side your grease feeding is in, so you install it the same way. And this is the part number, 5-103X. Spicer is the company, and it's the same thing as the factory, the OEM U-joint. And the dealer don't want to sell you the U-joint, they want to sell you the whole shaft. So one of them was missing. There's only 3 in there. So you're gonna hit it until it bottoms out like this, and then you're gonna use some pliers and wow, pull it out. And then to get this one out, just gonna hit this. And use a socket. And it comes out. And we're gonna do the same thing for these two to get the whole U-joint out. And boom. Turn it around. Here it is. So now we're just gonna clean everything up, make it real nice, and then we're gonna install the new one. Installation is the reverse of taking these off. Also remember which way your grease feeding was facing, so you don't put it the opposite. So we take these off. Take these off, and then so I'm gonna use my vise to squeeze them in. So you're gonna push them in until you see the groove for this C-clip to go in. Boom, this one's in. Once you get it in, make sure it's not binding up and it's moving freely. Let's install our grease feeding. Same thing, take these caps off. And boom, there it is. See, no more play. And don't forget to put grease in the feeding. And next thing for me to do is install it back in on the truck. And that's how I just saved myself a few $100s. Just by doing this myself. Doing some research. And get it done. So we fill it up with some grease before installation.
No more play.